Welcome to Modica, the hidden gem of Sicily. If you're looking for a city where history, culture, and mouth-watering cuisine collide, then buckle up because you're in for a treat. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore the best that Modica has to offer. From its stunning Baroque architecture to its world-famous chocolate, you won't want to miss a single moment. Did you know Modica's chocolate is made using an ancient Aztec recipe? Stay tuned to discover the secrets behind this delicious tradition and where you can taste the best chocolate in town. First stop, let's take a stroll down Corso Umberto, the first the bustling main street of Modica. Lined with elegant Baroque buildings, charming cafes, and delightful shops, it's the perfect place to soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. Look around. The stunning Baroque buildings aren't just beautiful, they tell the story of Modica's rich history. Each stone, each balcony, and each detail has a story to tell. Make sure to stop by the little boutiques and artisan shops where you can find unique souvenirs and local crafts. Just a short walk away, you'll find the awe-inspiring Cathedral of San Giorgio. This architectural masterpiece is a must-see with its intricate facade and breathtaking views from the top. Pro tip: climb the 250 steps for a panoramic view of the entire city. Inside, you'll be amazed by the grandeur of the cathedral. The stunning frescoes, the majestic altar, and the peaceful ambience create a space that is both inspiring and humbling. This cathedral isn't just a place of worship, it's a work of art and a testament to the skill and dedication of those who build it. Feeling hungry? Let's dive into Modica's culinary delights. From savory arancini to sweet cannoli, every bite is a taste of Sicily's rich heritage. And of course, you can't leave without trying the local chocolate. We're here at Trattoria Don Ciccio, a local favorite, to sample some of Modica's traditional dishes. The arancini here are crispy on the outside with a deliciously savory filling, and the cannoli simply to die for. The creamy ricotta filling the crispy shell, it's a taste of heaven. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, Modica's famous chocolate. Head to Antica Dolceria Benaiuto, one of the oldest chocolate shops in the city, to sample their unique rainy chocolate that's unlike anything you've ever tasted. To truly experience Modica like a local, visit the bustling markets. Here you'll find fresh produce, handmade crafts, and friendly vendors eager to share their stories. It's the perfect place to pick up a souvenir or two. Markets like Mercato di Modica are the heartbeat of the city. You can find everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to artisanal cheeses and cured meats. The vibrant colors, the enticing aromas, and the lively chatter all make for an unforgettable experience. And don't forget to try the local honey. It's incredibly flavorful. But wait, there's more. Hidden beneath the city are ancient caves used by the first inhabitants of Modica. Join me as we uncover these mysterious underground treasures. These caves date back thousands of years and offer a fascinating glimpse into Modica's past. Walking through these ancient corridors, you can almost feel the history come alive. These caves were once home storage spaces and places of refuge. Imagine living here, carving out a life in the cool, dark stone. The walls still bear the marks of ancient tools, and if you listen closely, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. From its stunning architecture and delicious food to its rich history and vibrant culture, Modica is a city that captivates the heart and soul. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your travel buddies, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel guides. And now we want to hear from you. What part of Modica are you most excited to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.